Welcome to Halacha for Children. Today we are going to be learning two halachas. The first halacha is that after a person puts on the tefillin shel yad opposite their heart, they then put on their tefillin shel reish opposite their mind. In Shulchan Aruch it brings two minhagim, two different customs, as whether a person should make a separate bracha when putting on the tefillin shel reish. First, it quotes Yesh Noihagim. There are those that have a minig not to make a separate bracha on the tefillin shel reish, because the bracha that they make on the tefillin shel yad, on the hand tefillin, also extends and also goes on the tefillin shel reish. Shulchan Aruch then quotes a second opinion that Yesh Noihagim, there are others that do have the minig that when putting on the tefillin shel reish, they make a separate bracha. Why? First of all, because the tefillin shel reish has a greater kedusha than the tefillin shel yad. Like we see that on the tefillin shel reish, there are four batim, there are four compartments, and tefillin shel yad only has one. And on the tefillin shel reish, there is the letter shin of Hashem's name, Shakai, Shin Daled Yud, Chakuka, engraved, protruding on the tefillin shel reish. And also, because some say that tefillin shel reish is ikar mitzvah. So the halacha, it says in Shulchan Aruch that if it is your minig to make a separate bracha on the tefillin shel reish, then after tightening the tefillin shel reish on your head, the person should then say Baruch Shem Kavod Malchusa Le'olam Va'ed, just in case this is a bracha that should not be said. Halacha number 2. If let's say a person, when taking out their tefillin, accidentally they first take out their tefillin shel reish, even though we learned before that there's a rule of ein mavirin ala mitzvahs, a person should not delay an opportunity of a mitzvah that comes to them now. Nevertheless, with tefillin, they have to first put aside the tefillin shel reish to put on the tefillin shel yad. Being that there's a clear pasuk that when telling us the mitzvah of tefillin says, first we put on the tefillin shel yad and then tefillin shel reish, this pasuk overrules the rule of ein mavirin al ha-mitzvahs.